Hi everyone, I'm Hajra and welcome to my CS50 Commerce project. In this video, I will be demonstrating my CS50 auction web application built with Django. I'll walk you through all the required features including creating listings, bidding, watch lists, categories, comments, and the admin interface. So here you can see the register page where a new user can sign up by entering their details, and this is the login page where existing users can log in. I'll now log in as a random user that I already created so we can explore the features of the site. Let's enter a username, Harry underscore Potter, password, and then press login. Please note that a user who hasn't logged in cannot place bets, add comments, or add any product to the watch list. Okay, so let's start by creating a new listing. Here I'll enter a title, let's say elegant decorative planter, a description, starting bid, for example, $12.23. Now I'll choose an image file, and now category home. Now I'll submit the form and you can see the new listing is created. Now I'll go to the home page by clicking this auctions link. The home page displays all the active auction listings. For each listing, you can see a title, description, current price, and an image. This serves as a marketplace for all users. Clicking on the view button takes me to the dedicated page of that product. Here you can see the title of the product, the description, category, current price, and the bidding status. The user can also add an item to the watch list by clicking on this add to watch list button. And also the user can remove the item from the watch list by clicking on this remove from watch list button. Now I'll try placing a bid. First I'll enter $34.12 and press submit. Since my amount was lower than the current price, I get an error message saying your bid must be higher than the current price. Now I'll enter a higher price, let's say $88.12 and submit bid. This time I get a success message and my bid amount becomes the current price. Below the bidding section, there's also a comment section. I'll add a comment here, love it, and add comment. As soon as I post it, my comment appears instantly below confirming that it has been added successfully. Now I'll open the listing for the elegant decorative planter. Since I'm the owner of this item, I can see the option to close auction. When I press the auction button, the auction ends and I'm shown the winner's name, Taylor. All the other users visiting this listing page will also be able to see the winner's name, and the winning bidder will get a clear message saying, "Congratulations, you have won the bidding." Next, let's look at the watchlist feature. As a sign-in user, I can go to my watchlist page where I see all the listings I have added. Clicking any listing takes me directly to its page. The site also supports categories. If I click on this categories link, I can see all the available categories. For example, if I click on this fashion category, it displays all the listings that belong to it. Now let's look at the Django admin interface. Here as an administrator, I can view, add, edit or delete any users, listings, comments or bids. This allows full control of the marketplace data. So this concludes the demo of my auction site. We have covered models for listings, bids and comments, creating a new listing, viewing active listings, individual listing pages with bidding, watch list, closing auctions and comments, the watch list page, category browsing, and the Django admin interface. Thank you for watching.